Hey guys, Lucas here from Vintage Surplus, and today we're going to take a look at the Condor EMT pouch. Alright, so we got here's the Condor EMT pouch. This one in particular is in their Scorpion camo. Well, not their Scorpion, but in Scorpion OCP, which is cool that they offer it in the current US Army camouflage pattern, so you can match your kit completely with what's getting issued, rather than going multicam, which is very similar, but not quite the same. So yeah, going from there. One thing I will note about the Scorpion one is the material is definitely different than the regular multicam and like the solid color ones. So it's definitely got a lighter feel to it. So that is a definite thing to look at if you're looking at the Condor pouches. The OCP ones it just has a whole different feel to it. All right, so now going into the pouch. The EMT pouch, basically just a first aid pouch, IFAK, very similar to what you see at the Eagle Industries SOF medical pouches, and then kind of just the baseline aftermarket IFAK. So on the front we got MOLLE Webbing, so you can put tourniquets, extra supplies, another pouch if need be if you want to stack stuff like that. And on the back there's a MOLLE Webbing. So nothing too crazy front and back. And then to open it, two-way zipper on a good sturdy zipper. Nothing too over the top as far as like overbuilt or heavy weight, anything like that. Just good standard zipper. And on the inside, plenty of organization slots or elastic bands for organizing stuff. So on the front flap, you got elastic bands right here, a red strap if you need to pull it open real quick. If you open it a little bit, I'm sure you could feel steady against something. Open it just enough and you can pull it open. So that's kind of cool. So you don't have to like really unzip it. Once this is out and sticking out, you can just pull the pouch open. Then you got elastic bands on the back here and a tie down loop right there. And then on the front flap, it also has a slot, so you can put a little more in there, chest seals, whatever need be, kind of get separated, organized. So you can kind of step how you're gonna reach into the pouch. So it's a pretty easy pouch. I'd say it's about, like 5x5x3 or 6x5x3 or something like that in size. So your standard kind of IFAK pouch size. So yeah, pretty cool pouch. And if you get the OCP one, it's a definitely different feel and material. I just show off a few of the things you can do with this pouch. Obviously, you can fill up medical supplies. So we just put a few in here to show like how it kind of fits in there, what you can do. So in the front, I put some shears. We do have these here at Vintage Surplus. So if you need new trauma shears, good to go. Everything I show in here, we've got, which is awesome. So you can pick up your IFAK pouch and all the supplies. Opening it up. So in the front, you got your standard gauze, and then you can shove your tourniquet down in there, or you can leave the tourniquet kind of loose, or you can even like band it, or use one of these North American Rescue pouches, put it right on front. So you're good to go there. And then a quick clot and an Israeli can fit in these bands real easy, or you could shove it into the slot and then kind of fold up the quick clot and put it in one of these elastic bands. It'd be really good to go. You could fit a whole chest seal in here, like a high fin chest seal, as well as like 1 or 2 other good dressings, and you'd be organized, good to go, and all of it would be easy to get to. Once you got it zipped up, it's going to stay secure, and you can have a full IFAK in there, and you're good to go. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. The Condor EMT pouch is definitely a good one to go with if you're looking for a basic first aid pouch. It's going to have some organization capability. It's not so basic as the US Army issued one, the old school one, and it's not anything too crazy as that you can get nowadays. So it's good, it's basic, it's lightweight, and don't take a whole lot of room. Just make sure to head on VintageSurplus.com, check out all of our other Condor gear and all the medical supplies you can use to fill it up with.